Newly renovated, bright, and move-in ready. Spacious living and dining areas. 3-bed, 1-bath, first-floor apartment. Hardwood floors throughout. Plus laundry on-site and parking included. Easy NYC commute with a bus stop. Seconds away and downtown Bloomfield just minutes out. Clean, updated, and ready for you. Let's schedule your tour. 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. Just unpack and move right in. Bright and spacious with hardwood floors, a huge living room, and a modern updated kitchen. Enjoy a renovated bathroom. Walk-in closet, on-site laundry, and even a small pet welcome. Easy NYC commute with a bus stop seconds away. And downtown Bloomfield Ready minutes when you from are. your door. Let's book a tour.